Hey you guys, how's snack time?
Good. I'm eating some
What are you eating?
Cheerios. It's not very healthy.
What are you?
It is healthy.
Yeah. What are you having, Lexi?
Nothing on my breakfast. I just had my paper.
Do you want to try an apple?
Hmm?
Yeah, try an apple.
And I'm having nourishing food.
You are having nourishing food.
And I am too.
You are too?
Now, bread isn't nourishing.
Ooh, Cheerios, yeah. How do you like it, Lexi?
It's so good. Wow.
What does it taste like?
Apple.
Oh. What does yours taste like?
Mine tastes like fruit.
Oh. Is it nourishing? Oh, good.
Mine tastes like nursing.
Yours tastes like nourishing food? Good.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
It does.
Say hello, everyone.
It does taste like Ninja too. Oh.
Tastes like a Ninja Turtle?
Nurship food.
Nurship? Okay.
Mine tastes like icicles.
Okay, good. What's yours taste like, Lexi?
Mine tastes like testicles.
Ooh.
Mine tastes like icicles.
Okay, good. All right, bye-bye. Say bye.
Mm.
Bye.